Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Ferrari of New England in Norwood, Massachusetts, we have the 2012 Mercedes SLS. Whew! I've wanted to drive one of these forever. Sport Plus. I'll just do Sport. Let's go for a drive. Oh, what a machine. Now, okay, with the Roadster, it's not as dramatic because you don't have the gull-wing doors. Oops. Yeah, I do that often. But you do have the top down. And in my opinion, that's just as nice. Oh, throttle tip-in is so good. AMG settings, trip, 38,000 miles. That's not bad. I'll put windows up just to help with wind noise. What a machine. I've wanted to drive one of these for the longest time, and I've never had the chance. I mean, I was 12 years old when this car came out. This car is 10 years old, and it looks timeless. Where's Sport Plus? Now all I need to do is drive an SLR. Oh, come on! There's no way people... Oh. Paddles are great, I have to say. Honestly, I would have tried to make that green light, but I don't want to bring this thing back yet. Just, oh, what a car. I mean, it's just, yeah, the gull wing aspect of everything adds an element that this car doesn't have, but what this car has is the top down, the sound. And it's the reason why I love the DB11 and DB9 Volante more than their coupe variants. Yes, it does, the doors don't go up, whatever. It's just so cool. And it's a timeless design. Think of the 300 SL, and that's what you have in this car. The design, everything is exactly the same. Rogue. What is this AMG button? Oh, that just brings up that menu. Okay, I see. Oh my God. I don't know what to say, honestly. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is one of those cars where I know it's special. This is one of my favorite cars I've ever driven. No, the horsepower isn't out of this world, stupid crazy. But it does not have to be. And yeah, okay, I daily drive a Hellcat, so I'm a bit used to power. But on the other hand, I don't know, guys. It's one of those cars that I think will go down in history as being something special. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you're like, oh, but it's an automatic only. Oh, but it's this. Oh, but it's that. I really don't give a you-know-what. This car is phenomenal. And it will go down as being one of my favorite cars I've ever driven. Period. I'm absolutely speechless. Absolutely speechless with this car. I just can't get over how amazing this is. And yeah, I've driven 63s before. AMG 63s. But there's just something a little different about this one. I don't know. I've driven one of those. They're great cars. But this is not great. It's fan-flippin-tastic. With that, I gotta concentrate on backing this thing back in. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.